How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and welcome back to another auto video. Today, I'll be showing you a little secret that a lot of car people don't know about, and it's kind of obvious. And before we get started, I just want to obviously let you guys know that liking the video and subscribing to the video is completely free, and it helps me out. So if you don't mind, please leave a little subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell notification on. Alright, so, what's this secret that most car people don't know about? Well, I'm going to be showing you right now. I'll give you a hint. It's somewhere within the cabin. Could you guess what it is? If you guys haven't noticed already, it's this thing right here. And I'll be showing you exactly what it does. It helps tremendously on the road. So what is this, like, mystifying thing that no one ever sees or uses? Well, it's called a turn signal. And what you do is when you're driving and you want to get into another lane, or you gotta turn left or right, you flick it down for left and up for right. Just in case you don't believe me, I turn the key on. See this? Flick it up. Holy crap, there's an arrow that indicates that you're going right. Flick it down. Holy crap, an arrow that indicates that you're going left. What is this sorcery? Okay, well you see that there's arrows inside the cabin, but what does that help you with? Well, it actually doesn't help you, it helps other drivers realize that you're not an asshole. But I gotta make sure that I do a disclaimer here. BMWs and Mercedes-Benz do not have this option. This is why you always see them always just like, oh, I want to turn left. They just instantly do it without letting anybody know. Also, you gotta remember, if you put that on, it does not mean you have the right to turn no matter what. You can't just like, you're this close to a car and then, oh, I'm gonna turn instantly just because my turn signal is on. That's not how it works. All right, so here's a picture of the butt of the car. I'm gonna show you what happens when you flick it left and what happens if you flick it right. Left, right. It's state of the art, I know, it's insane, but if you saw what I just did and you just study it over and over again, it makes you not become an asshole on the roadway. Alright guys, I want to say, again, this is another little joke, but it is true, it's kind of educational because no one ever uses a turn signal. But, again, it is what it is. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video, share it, go crazy, I don't care, your life, but the one thing I do want to tell you to do is please subscribe, and it helps me out a lot. So, as always guys, hope to see you in the next one. Take care.